Your 321 strong solid core foam roller uses patented technology to deliver a therapeutic massage just like you'd get from the therapist, but in the comfort of your own home. Its 3 unique massage zones replicate the thumbs, fingers, and palms of a therapist's hands, so you can get the exact massage you're looking for. The different zones apply pressure in varying degrees of density, encouraging muscles to release stored lactic acid, kinks, and knots. Not only do they feel great, they also help to increase blood flow and circulation to problem areas, reducing recovery time. With regular use, you can increase mobility, range of motion, and flexibility. Built to last, our solid core EVA foam roller is made from top-grade materials and won't lose its shape over time, even with daily use. Its lightweight materials make transport easy, and its unique design allows you to properly focus pressure on the affected areas. Its compact size also allows you to target specific muscle groups and pain points. Use your roller before and after workouts to see the same benefits as a deep tissue massage, smoothing knots, removing adhesions, and painful trigger points. Users of all fitness levels see the same benefits: relief for sore muscles, sciatica, plantar fasciitis, back pain, shin splints, and scar tissue. The 500-pound rating supports all body types while maintaining consistent resistance, allowing you to use your own body weight to control the massage intensity.